And welcome back to another episode here on the Richter Show. And today actually we are in Hanover here in Germany. I actually had an additional day to explore the cities. So since I already did Bremen and I already did Verden, then might as well just come to Hanover, spend a day here. I'm going to check out some places, check out some areas. I will show you around some tourist spots because that's mostly what I am going to be doing. And let's see how it goes. No, it's asking me to upload the class.
Okay. Or it's finished. Okay. But we can...
Okay, where are we going?
I don't know where to start. I see that it's finished.
Now, if you want to do the self-guided tour here in Hanover, it's actually very, very simple. If you arrive at the train station, which is right behind me over there, what you want to do is that you want to walk to, it's more or less across from it, to the Tourist Information Center, okay? Once you get here, it looks like this. Look for this. Look for the number 1. Once you start here, it's going to be about, I think it's 36 numbers. So just follow the straight line and you can do a self-guided tour by yourself. You don't really need anybody, and then you can just stop as you go. What you find interesting, just keep you can stop there and keep looking at it. Another interesting thing to do if you don't want to do self-guide and you just want to, maybe it's raining or something, is you do the hop on hop off. I'm going to show you what it looks like. That, and it stops here as well at the central station here in Hanover, so you can get on that. And hop on hop off actually is a really fun way to actually tour a city quickly. Maybe for some reason if you're tired, so you can get on and off as many times as you want on those. Pay one time, pay one price, and then you can explore the whole city on the bus itself. Let's just walk. I have 40 seconds left.
I think they have also English
yes,
audio.
Yeah. I just want to finish the memory, but it's only 30 seconds.
Not only English, Germany, English.
I guess it depends also on the... Yeah. It also depends on which one you get, probably. So we are following these lines, which actually is a good indicator of how to explore the city. You just follow them, and the next one will be there, and then you keep going that way. So that's a way to explore the city, by following the red tourist lines. There's so many amazing places to explore. This is a church actually behind me, as you can see. You just walk around and explore any country, every country. You're gonna find amazing things in every city. It doesn't matter how big or how small the city is, you're always gonna find something to do, something to see, something to expand your mind. Yeah, look, for example, I don't even know who this guy is, but oh, well, actually it says it right here, Martin Luther. It's amazing. I mean, everything has so much history. It's all rich in history. Oh, I caught the bells right on time. I'm at the entrance of the church. I'm going to show you the entrance. Amazing structure. Let's see if I can film inside. I'm gonna go check inside and see it. I don't think I have to pay. You can obviously tell I'm in Germany. Look at all those amazing structures behind me. Let me get my partner. Yeah, she doesn't know that the church is open. Hold on. Let me go get her. The church is open. Yeah, the church is open. We can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
She didn't know the church was open. Oh, you can stay outside if you want.
No.
I go inside and you stay outside waiting. You're a little bit in it, at least for this part. She came with me to Hanover. She's been with me to Bremen, to technically Aschim, to Verden, Verden, and now Hanover. Let's go and explore.
Actually, I bring you Hanover.
Oh yeah, Dankeschön. Do we have to pay? No, right? I don't think you have to pay. No, I saw people. Yes, watch. Alright, so let's check out this amazing church from the outside. The structure, the architecture of it, it's just spectacular to see. It's not really winter, but it's cold. And for me to say that it's cold, it's because it's cold. Because I'm usually the type of person that loves the cold. So let's get away from it a little bit so we can appreciate a little bit more. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Look at that. How amazing.
Aber gerne.
I said it was a church. I don't think this is a church.
No.
No, I'm sorry, it's not a church. I thought it was a church. I got excited. Either way, it's amazing architecture on it. It's amazing structure. Not a church. Yes, it's huge. There's always some fun that you can always do. That looks fun, actually, and interesting. Whoever says that they're bored, get creative. See, these people are surfing here at the river. I'm gonna hit it. But I don't think this is for this. This looks from a different era. Look at this amazing place. I never thought in my life that I would actually travel around the world and see such amazing church. I mean, all it really needs is some good windows and a ceiling, and it's good to go. No, but on a serious note, I never actually thought I would ever be in Hanover, for example, and see such amazing history, such an amazing place. I'm gonna go check out the cross that's still here, still standing. I mean, even though it's incomplete and there's basically nothing inside anymore, it's just so rich in history. Alright, let's go. I am at the History Museum and I got to borrow some of the history clothing. So how do I look? Yes, I probably should have been born in this era. I look mighty fine. That looks stupid. Oh no.
Here.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. Only where? Here on The Richter Show. See you on the next episode. Where again? Here on The Richter Show.
Shout out to the host of the Richter. This the Richter Show. The Richter Show.